Welcome to Storytime with Sonia Panda. I will read to you many stories, so please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Let's get started.
One day at playgroup, Madam Gazelle tells the children about Diwali, the festival of lights. They all draw pictures, some draw fireworks, some draw lamps, all things that light up the night. The next day, Peppa and George wake up to sounds in the kitchen. Mommy and Daddy Pig are busy cooking. We are going to celebrate Diwali. Mommy Pig says Diwali is a holiday celebrated in India and around the world. Later on, Granny and Grandpa Pig arrive with presents and traditional clothes for everyone to wear. Hello, Peppa. Hello, George, says Granny Pig. Are you excited about Diwali? All over the world, families are coming together. Grandpa Pig says, this year we wanted to join in too. Then Auntie and Uncle Pig ring the doorbell. The whole family has come to stay. Hello, Chloe, Peppa says. Hello, baby Alexander. There are so many people in the house for the festival. I hope we have enough food, Mommy Pig says. I will peel some more potatoes just in case, Daddy Pig says. It's time for everyone to get changed into their special outfits from Granny and Grandpa Pig. Even baby Alexander is dressed for the festival. Wow! Peppa says, everybody looks so beautiful. Now we are all ready. Mommy Pig says, it's time to light the lights. These are called diyas. Peppa thinks they look like candles. Is it someone's birthday? She asks. Granny Pig chuckles. No, Peppa, these are lamps. Diwali is a celebration of light. The diyas light up the night. Grandpa Pig says, diyas shine all around the house. Finally, it is time to eat. Everything looks delicious, especially the sweets. What a feast, says Uncle Pig. Would you like seconds? Mommy Pig asks. Uncle Pig turns to ask Daddy Pig to pass him another potato. But Daddy Pig is not there. Where did he go? Peppa finds Daddy Pig waiting outside. What are you doing, Daddy? Peppa asks him. It's dark out here. Not for long, he says. Soon the sky lights up with fireworks. Pop, pop, pop. Everyone comes outside to watch together as a family. Happy Diwali! Daddy Pig cries. Happy Diwali! They all say back. Peppa loves Diwali. Everyone loves Diwali.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Storytime with Sonia Panda to listen to more stories with me. Take care, friends.